Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. Last evening I watched all the video messages which you had sent me, and thanks a ton for being there. That really means a lot. Today I am busy just because you people are there. In my 32 years of life, yes, it's a truth that this was the bestest birthday till date. So many reasons behind it. 12 o'clock you guys came up. It was gala time. We had lots of fun. In the early morning I was in the newspaper. Then all of the day there were wishes coming. In the evening it was a surprise party. So, and these surprises. So hats off to you guys. A big thanks to you, Shipra. You made my day. The first time you have planned something for me. That bigger one, I would say. And it's really grand. I love it completely. Thanks to you, Rajul. I know that you also put lots of effort, and to all my team, Children Jack. I really like your, this theme of phone. My phone and my guitar. They are my life, successful. If they would not have been there, you wouldn't have met, I remember that time when it was Simla's anniversary. You're asking them for the cake cutting at Gallica and Greenwood, you're saying, I have to go to Budungar. So it all started with Dhanu's party. Then a group was made. I was the administrator, and see, where are we today? In just 5 months. So guys, this is the power of these iPhones. So starting with the people now. First of all, thanks a lot, Shikra. Thank you for being there. It's so many years with you, and each and every year is special. God bless you. And bless you for the lovely kids you have given me. They are my life. They're truly my life. Can't live without them. I can't live without anything, but can't live without them. Coming to all you beautiful people, Arshi, either you wish me in English, Hindi, Punjabi, or just don't say anything. Just smile. The moment you smile, it says all. I still remember those times when we were unaware of each other, we were strangers to each other. You used to stand opposite side of the road to wish to pick the little ones from school, and over on the other side. And I always used to wonder that who this guy is. He's always having these glares and smiling. So thanks for being there. It doesn't matter you speak in English, Hindi, Punjabi, any language, love, it doesn't have any language. And Benny, you are a very true person, very calm person, always stay like that, smiling, and you guys, make a perfect match. Then, Vakil and Rima, yes, I am sentenced to life imprisonment of your friendship, and I'll always be there, whatever the reason may be. The reason being, since the time I have come to know about something called friendship, what matters to me is friend. I have never ever bothered 24/7 by 365, but it costs me. I'll never ever believe in that thing. जब मुझे अपने friend को मिलना है, उसके लिए कुछ करने को मेरे कुछ सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है. See, this is something that binds us all. And Vakil, दारू पियाँगे, वोडका बियर पाके पियाँगे, फ्रॉम द रॉक्स पियाँगे, इंदे रहेंगे. रीमा लोग क्या दे दो कहना, पहले भी पिला लेंगे. Then Karan, you're a rockstar man. I love you. Thanks for being there and supporting me in each and everything. He's one guy who has never criticized me in my life. For 5 months with him, he's always supporting. Whatever I say, he always acknowledges and gives a thumbs up. So that means a lot. I love criticism, I love my critics, but I love my well-wishers too. You are one of them who never say no to anything, always in for anything. And hats off to you, man. Every time when I call you up, it's Karan, आज अपने यार पेंडर जा रहे हैं. तू साले बोझ जा रहा है. See, it's a big thing for me. लोग चंडीगढ़ में बैठ के नहीं आते हैं, तो वो बोझ जा रहा है. So it says all. And now Raju Rajasthani, thanks a lot for all the efficient you guys made. I know it was tough with me, with office, with my kind of, bossy attitude. I never let you guys move out of the room. I wanted you guys to work hard and harder. And I remember how we guys, used to steal few minutes. नहीं हम अपने रूम में बैठे हैं, please उधर बैठा भी थोड़ा काम है. Thanks for being there and planning my birthday and taking all the pain when those pen drives were not working. I know the host, host is one guy who never enjoys a party. And you with Shipra and my team were perfectly the best host. But yes, hats off to you. Till that day, I was not confident whether you will be able to handle all the evenings, the get-togethers, the parties which you will be planning. It was a wonderful surprise. You and Shipra made it special. Priyanka Dhanu. Priyanka, you are one person who is from Rishikotla, but generally you are a humble person, who is always calm, smiling, always stay like that. Being silent doesn't mean you don't speak. People speak when they're silent too. It's just that you need someone who can understand that silence. You're always cheering me up for everything I do. And that's the best part in you. I listen to all the messages, all the video messages. So, you are one of them who remembered that thing. That, guys, get ready. Let's go to a ride of Disneyland. And I'll make sure that each and every ride would be so amazing that you guys will love your life. And yes, I said so. And I mean so. Till the time I am alive, I am in your lives, I'll try my best to keep you rocking, though whatever may be the criticism I have to face, I'll always be there. Dhanu, you are a wonderful chap. You are again, in those kind of person who don't speak much, but when you speak, it's louder, it's meaningful. And I truly respect you, and you're like an elder brother to me. So it's always a wonderful feeling. I always keep on calling you up for all the plans, and trust me, you are one of those devs that even if you don't come, I never feel bad about it. I don't know why. There are other people too. Doctor is there, Sherry is there. There are many people, but you are one of them. Even if you say no, that means a lot. That's lovely. But don't worry, I'll keep on calling you. Either after 9 or 10, wherever I am. So I'm not going to go anywhere. I'll be keep on bothering you for your lifetime. BP. See, actually this guy is the biggest basuri in the whole group. I can handle anybody in the whole world. I can handle any damn guy. You say I'll handle him, but I can't handle this guy. Yeah? He belongs to Dhuri. I belong to Sangrur. So there is a distance of 14 kilometers, which he can't cover up. I know he loves me a lot, but he's my best critic too. And again, I love my friends, I love my critics. Because it's the truth. Whenever you praise about my write-ups and guitar, there is some sarcasm involved in it. And either the words, they are too heavy to handle, that I am, struck up as a doubt. But anyway, keep on appreciating, otherwise I will kill you. And I love that, God bless you. And your friendship truly is a blessing. And I'll pray to God that He will be blessed, He will be staying blessed for the rest of our life. Parul again, though she hasn't sent me any video message on that day. And other people called her. I think उसने call भी नहीं दिया. But anyway, there are few people who don't do anything, who are reserved, who are silent, shy. But that doesn't mean they are not so supportive and they are not there. They are always there. And I must say, I chatted that evening too. For my 100 challenge, she is one of them who did that all by herself. I never called her up, I never texted her, she did it. And I really like that slogan, inculcating, sharing and donating habits in Avika. She could have learned how to help others. So this is really the motive behind it. It's not that we are clicking the picture. So hats off to you for that. when Sahaj and Prabhu, there are some people in this world, when you meet them, there is some amount of positiveness which gets transferred in you. And believe me, you guys are one of them. Whenever I meet Prabhu, whenever I meet Sahaj, there is something, there is a bond, there is some positive energy which gets transferred to me. Every word you say is meaningful. Till now, you have never ever said anything wrong to me, about me. And you are the very balanced people. Thank you for being there. Sharno, do you see, you are one person who has a leadership quality, and I know that. I respect that. You can handle anything in the whole world. And there's something great about you. Again, I'm telling you, you are my sister and you will always be. But Zarina is not Adi's sister, not a cousin. उनका अफेयर हुआ तो वो चलाएंगे. डॉन को बोले जो करना कर ले. Don अलग. This guy, this is one of those guys जिसको मैं अभी तक समझ ही नहीं पाया. एक साथ आ गया, मिलेगा, मुस्कुराता रहेगा. और कभी नहीं कैसी हुई इसके चेहरे पे. वो कभी नहीं कैसे ये नहीं कहना चाह रही कि इधर जाना है उधर जाना है. चिंटू, but I love you, man. You're always there. I know that. For Adi's birthday, you especially missed after missing that flight. You again boarded a flight, and I'm indebted, and I'll always be thankful to you for being there. Doctor, when, I must say, the moment I said doctor, everyone would be laughing. This word is so, this is something called naughty doctor. पता नहीं किसी कांड किसे रोज ट्रिप्स पे किसे लंबा ऑपरेशन की कर रहे डॉक्टर को. But anyways, man, I adore your friendship. Phone बजा. Anyway, you won't answer the phone now. Though it's my dad. I'll call him up later. Doctor, I cherish your friendship. I know you're always there with me. So, we have a different ideology. See, again, I'm saying something. We share a different ideology, and even then we are very good friends. This is one of the rarest combinations. Doctor, you're always, supportive, I'll say. In 100 challenge, you're supportive like anything. Thanks for being there. You guys are truly a gem in my life. All you people, I hope I'm not missing anyone. Let me check. Yeah, the whole list is completed in our group. See guys, we are lived without you people for 31.5 years of my life. And those are very good. But these years they are excellent. It's hard to get people like you. The best part about all you people is, it's very hard to follow a single person. And hats off to you people. You always follow what I say. And that's the reason we are, here together. And trust me, again, once again I'm saying, till the time I am alive, I'll keep you lives rocking. It's a kind of Disneyland. This group, Gods and Devils, is a Disneyland. We'll keep on rocking. On this journey, I promise you, it will be filled with smiles, laughter, excitement, tears too. जब दारू पिएंगे तो बनेंगे भी. And I'm looking for a day when we all will be standing in a queue on a kid's wedding, either at the time of arrival of Barat and at the time of Doli, when we all will be crying and consoling each other. And after that there would be a day when our kids will go, they will grown up and they will be having their own children. I want that day when we will be together. शायद old age home में रहे, but we will buy our own farm house and we will stay together. Love you for being there. You guys are truly a blessing to my life. आज कोई song आगे मैं संग नहीं लगा, but simply I'll say कि यारों दोस्ती
बड़ी ही हसीन है, ये न हो तो क्या फिर, बोलो ये जिंदगी है, कोई तो दिलबर हो यार, बेगरज तेरा हो यार, कोई तो अपना हो प्यार.
And guys, they are all kids. They are my best friends. तुम बुढ़े हो जाओगे सालों. I'll be their friend. And mind my words, they'll be my friends. They'll always be Chintu Latu's friends. And thanks all the females, all the buddhis, all the aunties for giving me this name, Chintu. I love it. My nickname is, most of the people you don't know, my nickname is Monty. It was named after, there was a movie of Rishi Kapoor which got released that year when I was born. So Monty and Chintu, it's one and the same thing and I'm loving it. Thanks for being there. Love you guys. God bless you. Have a safe life and a journey with me. And keep aside your money because, I'll keep on spending that. But on to you, not on me. Take care. God bless.